how to remove the dome light of your Kia Soul. So you're gonna open the storage bin and gonna notice two Phillips head screws that we first need to remove. So I'll go ahead and remove these. Now be careful because they're falling down, so don't lose them. Now take your flathead screwdriver and we need to pry the dome light. Okay, you see it has unclipped itself, and now you can use your fingers to pull on it. Be careful because it may fall down quickly. Once you've done this, you need to remove these clips. Take a flathead screwdriver, press and pull at the same time. Now it's a bit hard to do it with one hand, but you get the idea. Same thing over here. This clip on this side, you're gonna push the small tab and pull the connector out, and just like that the dome light will be out of the way. You'll be able to purchase a new one. And by the way, if you want to know the parts number of this dome light, let me turn it around. You have over here 92800/B2000. I guess you can purchase this at your dealership, but on eBay it's much cheaper most of the time. So this is it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.